Hello, today in this lab we are going to be working on lab 10.3.3, which is to view Linux services. Alright, so let's start up immediately. We'll go to our terminal and we're going to type in Systemctl space start space bluetooth.service and you press enter. Systemctl start stop bluetooth.service, enter. Systemctl restart bluetooth.service, enter. So this is pretty straightforward and easy. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.